Alright, so we've learned that the electric field exerts a force on particles. If I have an E field that looks like this, and I put a positive charge there, well, it's going to feel a force to the right. And a negative charge would feel a force to the left. Alright, but how do I know how to draw these lines? Where do they come from? Where do they go? Let's learn about that, the field lines themselves. Well, I mentioned before that electric field is not just felt by charges, it's created by charges. So if I have a positive charge, well, the associated electric field will look like this. The field lines will be evenly spaced and radiating outwards from the charge. This makes sense because I know if I put a positive charge here, well, it better be repelled from this guy, and according to this, it will. Likewise, a negative charge looks very similar, but the field lines point inwards. Again, this makes sense. I know that a positive charge better be attracted to this negative charge. And according to this electric field line, it will be. And a negative charge, if I put it here, would be repelled, since negative charges go opposite the direction of field lines. Now, knowing what you know about field lines, maybe you can tell me, if I have a positive and a negative charge and they're next to each other, what will the electric field look like? I'm going to give you a few options and you pick the best one. So which of these 4 options do you think best describes the electric field that exists when you have 2 charges, a positive on the left and a negative on the right? Do you think it's this one? Do you think maybe there's no electric field? Do you think it's this one, where there is an electric field, but it bends in this weird way? Or maybe this one, or that one? Think about it. Think about maybe what would happen if you put a positive test charge somewhere and what direction you would expect the force to be. Good luck. This is a tricky question.